this is your image consultant Khushbu Karnawat and I'm saying hi from my garden to yours. So today's video I wanted to just relax and talk about it. Today's video will all be about your Indian bridal kit. Now what is Indian bridal kit? All the products will be easily found in India and I am selecting the best products from each brand and compiling it all for all of you. Also guys, do comment below and tag your friends out there who are about to get married because this video is really going to be very helpful for them. So let's start and see what are the important products you need to keep it in your bridal kit so that you don't feel incomplete and you have almost everything. The budget of this kit is around 13 to 14,000 rupees, but in it you're getting professional range, you're getting all the things from your highlighters to your party makeup product, everything. So keep watching. Now we'll start with the base and how to create your foundation and base proper, which you can also do easily. Now for primer, I have chosen Ferraroshi. Now this is a new brand. It is a Dubai based brand, but it is a professional range. So you will get a professional feel out of it. I have chosen its primer and you can see it's a Ferraroshi primer and it costs you around 599 rupees, which is quite reasonable for a primer and it does amazing work. So you can go for a primer like this. If not this brand, then you can go for Color Bar primer, which is also very good and it is suitable for oily skin. This is also good for dry skin too. So primer, Ferraroshi. For foundations, I have compiled two foundations in this kit. One is a professional range, one is a normal range. If you want to go for a high party makeup, you can mix both. If you want to go for normal makeup, you can use only one. The first foundation that I have used is the Ferraroshi Professional Makeup Foundation. Bottle looks like this, you can see, and it's like such a high coverage amazing foundation and it costs you around 899 rupees. So one is this foundation. Another foundation that I've compiled in is L'Oreal Infallible 24 Hour. So this one is easily available. This one I got for 1200 rupees and this one is an amazing foundation. Again, you know, it's a day thing and you want to just put a light makeup on, use this. Even this is very high coverage, but I think if used just as it is, it's a normal everyday foundation too.
Next, I've also added this moisturizer to the whole kit. It's from Spa-Wake. It's a Japanese company and the moisturizer gives you a glow. So before you start your makeup, you should use this.
So next we move on to concealer. It's a very important part and I'm going for my all-time favorite concealer from Kryolan. This is the Derma Color Concealer. It's for just 300 rupees. It's a single palette, but believe me, nothing like it. Just go for this and you're good to go with your concealers. Next, let's go for the loose powder. I'm using L'Oreal True Match Mineral Loose Powder. This is a 3-in-1 product. It works as a primer, it works as a loose powder. It also works as a mattifying effect to your makeup. So this is an amazing product again. Now we move on to the blush part. For blush, again, it's my favorite. You have seen in most of my videos. I am using the Maybelline Master Flush Contour Blush. It's an ombre blush which is having a coral tone to it and it just, you know, highlights your cheekbones like nothing else. So it is my all-time favorite again. So I have compiled two blushes in it. One, this is the stronger one whenever you have to get ready for the party. So this one is L'Oreal Paris Le Brush True Match Blush. Now this is a very light blush which gives you a natural blushy look and it also comes with little bit of highlighter. So whenever you are in a mood of very light blush, you can go for this. Now let's come on the eyes part. For eyes, I have used I've taken one blush palette, that is the Nudes by Maybelline. I found this very classic and easy. You get all the nudes color, you get black color for smoky eyes and you also get a white color to put it under your eyebrows. So it's a well compiled one because see, लिमिट तो है ही नहीं, आप कितना भी खरीद सकते हो. You can go for different colors and everything, but when you have to buy one, I think this one is a good option. Next for kajal, I have taken this pack. Now this has two kajals, one blue and one black. Now this is from Color Bar and it's a very reasonable one. It's for 595 rupees and you get two kajal which are really, the black one is jet black and the blue one is super stay. So you know, I think this is one pack for two kajals which are like a good purchase. Next I've got the Maybelline Hyper Glossy Eyeliner. Now any one of you who knows about eyeliner, you know you get different kinds of eyeliner. Purchase whatever you are comfortable with, but this is a very good buy. This is not more than I think 325 rupees. This is for 325 rupees and good enough. They get decent quantity so you can use it for next 8 months. You want to buy more, get adding to your kit, like make your kit evolving. But for the beginning, I think this is a good option. Next for mascara, I have taken the L'Oreal Million Lashes Mascara. Now this is one of the best mascaras you get in India. You don't have to think much about it, just go for it and you're good to go. Next, now to convert your whole makeup into a party makeup, what I've added added is, this is a very interesting product. This is a product by Graftobian. This is their glitter glow. Now what happens is, this is a transparent glitter. So whatever eyeshadow you put and then you put the glitter, you will feel that your whole look turns out into a glam look. So this is an amazing product. Now look at the glittery glow that you get. Now let's come on to the lips. For lips, I have put one lip balm, one lip gloss and lipstick kit. For lip balm, I have chosen Baby Lips. You can just put it in your purse, and whenever you just want to feel, it has a tint of pink. It will be tinted, so you will not need a lipstick with it. Next, for gloss, I have chosen L'Oreal Paris Dazzle. Now this is a golden copper kind of a lip gloss, and it's beautiful on your lips. You can hear the chirpings and everything. I'm actually surrounded by butterflies and birds right now. So it's beautiful and a bliss. Well, let's come back. Now, so this gloss you can just put when you don't want to put lipstick. Now, lipstick is a personal choice. Your colors and everything is your choice. What I would suggest is go for Maybelline Lip Gradation. You can also go for Maybelline's liquid lipsticks. These are reasonable, as well as they have amazing stay and beautiful pigmentation. So you can definitely go for it, I suggest. So colors you can choose for yourself. Next, let's go on to the highlighter part. For highlighter, I have again chosen Ferrarouche. Now, Ferrarouche highlighter, this is a liquid highlighter, so you can use it on your eyes, you can also use it on your cheeks, and it has a pearly glow to it. So I am in love with this one. This is again for 899 rupees, and this one is fantastic. Now, to add on to it, you need to have brushes, right kind of brushes. So for basics, I have gone for the Vega kit. Now this kit comes for around 950 rupees, and you get approximately 9 brushes in it. So this is a good foundation brush, the bigger one you see, and rest you have chota mota brushes for almost everything. So I think for a beginner, this one is a great option. Now I have also chosen another brush. Now this brush is a Kabuki brush, if you can see. It's from Color Bar. This is good for your blush. So for blush, I wanted you to have a beautiful brush, because brush really plays a very vital role while you apply your rouge or your blush. Now this is for around 550 rupees, but believe me, this is totally worth it. You should spend this much for this brush. This was all about your makeup kit. Also with this kit you get a complimentary vanity case so that you can put it into it, and the price for this whole kit is 13,500 rupees, which you can also order with me, or you can purchase it from outside. Everything is yours. If you order it with me, you have to pay 500 rupees more for convenience charges. Rest in 14,000 rupees you have your kit all ready. So if any one of you is interested, do let me know. So you can also email me here, and we can ship you the kit, or you can buy it yourself. It's just, go and explore. This video is completely to help you all brides out there and help you build your own kit which you enjoy using for the next 1 year of your life. So keep enjoying, keep evolving your kit, and I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. See you again soon.